Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am just doing a small haul video. I don't really have big hauls anymore because I don't really need to buy anything. So let's just dive right in. Books wise, I did grab the new Korilynn VanDyke one, Fairy and Fantasy 5. I don't even think I did a flip through on my channel. I think I had planned on it, but a lot of these come from her Patreon. Some of these are on her Etsy store. Oh, these are cute. That was like Patreon. So yeah, they're all really, really cute. Oh, I like that one. But yeah, I do recognize quite a bit from her Patreon. But I love that she's still putting out books. And then of course she's still releasing pages on her Etsy store too. Okay, then I received from Color Yeah, so they sent this to me. I'll be doing a video on it as well. This is the Dreamcatcher mandalas. It's actually been out for quite a while, but it just wasn't available on Amazon US. So they released it on Amazon US, and it has the spiral binding. The cover isn't not like cardboard, but it's a thick cardstock. And then we have the pages. Like I said, I'm going to do a video though, so I'm not going to go through this too much. But they're basically all dream catchers. Okay, and then this one I couldn't help but get because it was just so cute. I should have looked on her Etsy though to see if she had a digital version of this, and I may still go back and find that because this is the Create Space paper, but it's Cute Fairy Tales by Selena Fennick. I mean, like, it even has like the little thing about them, but you know, and which fairy tale character they are. But it just looked so adorable. Yeah, I will see if she has this on her Etsy, like in a PDF. It looks like they repeat themselves, so you get two of the same image. But it's just, it was too cute. I don't know. Okay. Then I purchased Luna, and if you're saying, wait, don't you already own that? I do. However, my first copy of Luna, I am doing in the color scheme that's on the cover, so literally nothing but coloring it in these colors. So there was like a little dip in the price, and I ended up purchasing it again so I could go back and color these in whatever color. But I really wanted to keep that themed book. So if you ever do that, just put them on like your wish list and wait for them to drop, and hopefully you snag them cheaper. Okay. Then I got these Link Shine gel pens. So fun fact, you can buy like the one set of 10 for pretty cheap. However, the 2-pack of 10 was like, it was cheaper to buy the 2-pack of 10 than a single pack. I don't know, it was very weird. I'm going to link it below. But I was like, wait, what? So I ended up just grabbing this, and I'm hoping like there's no defects or anything. I did notice just from the packaging some bubbling, but I'm not going to put too much stock into that because these pens have honestly never let me down. I've never had them clog, and I journal with them all the time. So yeah, I'm curious to see how these 2-pack ones work out. Okay. Then I got some finishing accessories, we'll call them. So I bought more Splendor blenders, and this was actually by accident because I didn't realize how many I had already. And so when I went to go buy more, and they arrived, I was like, oh my gosh, I've got like tons of these now. But I did get some more white paint pens because all of mine are done for. I haven't used this brand before, Pandafly, but it had some good reviews, so I'm going to give it a shot. Posca is too translucent for me, or transparent. I need something really thick and opaque, so we'll see how these do. And then yeah, I bought more Splendor blenders, my favorite blender. And then also for finishing, I got this here. Now this is an acrylic sealer high gloss finish. I use this to seal some of my pages. Not all of them, depends on what mediums I'm working with. But this is from Aleene's, and I really like this one, and I had run out of my last one. And even though it says gloss, it's not like high gloss, but it does provide a nice coating. And what I really like about this one in particular, like I have a fixative, workable fixative that I use for a lot of things, and that usually holds things down just fine, and I'll use that. But like say I've got just tons of smudgy materials like Prisma, Pan Pastel, I use this one and it doesn't leave a sticky coating behind. So like when the pages close, they don't stick together later after this fully dries. So this is one I recommend. And then I did grab a new coloring journal so that I can write down my combos and whatnot. And I was looking for a really thick one, so I think I found it. Not a fan of the color, but this was the only one that came this thick in this color, so I guess I'll live with that. But I grabbed that, and yeah, that is it for my January haul. I guess February too, because the month's almost over. So anything I bought in January and February. But yeah, not as much as I used to back in the day, but that's just because I really don't need anything. Like there's nothing to buy. So anyway, thanks for hanging out with me real fast to see what I've hauled this month. And until next time, take care. Bye now.